Learning at STLCC is completely personalized.
We have a wide variety of classes and options, but they're also taught in different modalities. So you can attend in person, you can attend on your computer.
Working full-time on top of being a student, I definitely have a very busy schedule, but having those classes available online has been one of the best things for me.
One of the great things about STLCC is that I feel it's very low risk compared to a four-year university, which is a lot more expensive and a way bigger commitment. I just feel I had more of the chance to explore. It really helped me see my academic interests more clearly, which is criminal justice.
STLCC has given me a really good background and education within the automotive field. I am a hands-on learner, so getting that chance to visualize and see and put my hands on what I'm doing has also really helped me get to where I am, working in the industry already.
We have a wide variety of academic programs to meet a lot of different career pathways. So no matter what you might be interested in, we likely have a program and it's designed to get you to a high-paying job quickly and successfully. And again, we're going to support you to that goal.